Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the flapper door hinge pin in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new flapper door hinge pin. There are two identical hinge pins used in this refrigerator, one on the top and one on the bottom of the flapper door. They support the flapper, allowing it to swing back and forth. If the hinge pin breaks, preventing the flapper door from moving freely, simply replace it. To get to the part, we need to open the right side French door. Next, I'm going to open the flapper door. Now I'm going to use this Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to remove that single Phillips screw. To remove the flapper door from these three hinges, we need to push it up. Next thing, we're going to unplug this. After we remove the flapper door, we have access to the upper or the lower hinge pin. We're going to replace this one, the top one. Let's slide it up and remove it from this mount. This is the old flapper door hinge pin next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, so this is a new pin. It's a cutout goes over this mount, so I'm going to match them and slide it. And now we're going to install the flapper door. Alright, so next we are going to connect this plug. Make sure it's locked. To install this center hinge pin, we need to lock this tab into this opening. I'm going to turn this 90 degrees and we're going to proceed. So I'm going to lock the bottom first. Just slide it. And we're going to the top. I'm going to align the top hinge and slide the flapper down. Alright, we're going to install this screw in manually. I don't think you can use the screwdriver to install it because we have a very strong magnet right in here. Now we're gonna tighten with the Phillips screwdriver. Now I'm gonna close the flapper door and close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.